Kubleshibune pi perlok baro ki subscriber ki nong krishan ki ba ai mesim yang anak por shakpor te hakane ka video komenta ngan ai jing tip yang shpang ka jing mere marathon ma bakan sadon biang haka ar pratrik jong uni ubanai kan de ka bakam he I kan ka jing mere marathon te sadon nap dang pi ki bamla ban yo lej mare hakane ka go ti have marathon te phla ban lej hakane ka ar pratrik ka ban long khapo go ti kaneru dengan puli kat kum kane ka jingyo notice ma kat kum ka jingyo notice nga. It is hereby informed everyone that the Northeastern Council has scheduled Northeast Festival. Ma la panlong ka Northeastern Council kam he ba ka prize ru. Menyatu kat no ta ma la stu ba kam he ma la panlong na du ka NEC Northeastern Council has scheduled Northeast Festival as part of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav from 28 April to 4th of May 2022 in the northeastern region. Hapo northeastern region kan to aware the citizen of it India through mass participation, the Northeastern Council is going to organize half marathon. Kandang Jingialehkai organize half marathon, walkathon and cyclothon. Lightly Jingialehkai penlong half marathon, cyclothon, batka walkathon. Lightly kajing mare kajing nyak cycle bat kajing yat jan. Lightly kidon mo. They can he ka price nas tu hi ma pelong nandu ka NEC on 28 April ar pratrik April akan mau hai ka tarik ar pratrik April 28 April 2022 from Khanapara Veterinary Playground in association with Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs and Department of Transport Government of Assam and a total of 2,000 participants from different fields are expected to take part in the festival in view of Assam Mountaineering Association. In view of above, Assam Mountaineering is also handling kaneka association jong Assam Mountaineering also can handling in the state program by participating in the program. All are cordially requested to send your participation. Pila man send nika participation confirmation as t-shirt, caps, extra can IP ka t-shirt kapanyan atapia will be distributed for the aforesaid program participants. So we request everyone to intimate their willingness of participation. Pila ban phone mo pila ban contact as I contact number la I pa as soon as possible. Kat bagala pynkloi and make the event a grand success. Kikwa man kana mun buru hi kan wangla kana mun buru kana kana te le ban pynkloi ham ta kham na jan na pon ribhoi kham jan ni te le ban lej mar ka dei po khana para mo ka jaga ti ban shalong ro na phikwa ban lej phila ban lej mo la ong ne reporting venue ka khana para Veterinary Playground kapor kay San Baji 5 am kadit kadi arah pratrik nipsa RFR contact number kan sa ai kidon hang ne way ar lai telik contact number pinsa contact mo ban register saya tu bang register nam ta ka half marathon ne walkathon ne cyclothon phya ban tu hi mention clearly mo lai number ne te phin la mention bidai sa register kerteng jopi te kerteng contact number khandai saw lai san not saw khandai we pra bar khandai we khandai pra ndu saw we nyo pra khandai we khandai ndu nyo pra saw nyo ndu we saw ini contact number the phone hi nga nam yo jing tip shoot nal nang ne yo ta ngan notice te kan sonan al patrick te next week mo kan ka te yo ban wan ni kan dei ino lai tlik jing la kai te la ra pidon cycle plam le la pinang ban walkathon plam le walkathon la pi kwan mare plam le mare kan dei po khana para lai thul khana para Veterinary Playground te nam ta jing tip kham ne kol kham kloi sakali masa ai kerteng no khana man kham suk mar kwa ba khambon hi ten la tip hi ba ka price kan kham he hi te ngathrai tangine plus tu i ki jing metem khuleshibun